Welcome back to Hard Hat Chat, everyone. I'm Justin Smith, CEO of Contractor Plus, and joining me, as always, is Gerritt Bake, CEO of Build Pro. Today we're talking about something that's becoming the biggest shift in home services pricing in decades. And honestly, most homeowners and even most contractors haven't wrapped their heads around how big this is yet. HVAC systems financed like auto loans, monthly payments instead of big checks, no money down instead of I need $5,000 today. A new model that changes how people buy comfort.
It's wild when you think about it. For years, homeowners treated HVAC like replace when it dies. Now it's becoming more like upgrade whenever you want better performance. It's like when car leases exploded. Suddenly people stopped driving their cars until they fell apart. They just rotated into new ones.
Exactly. And HVAC is one of the most expensive systems in the home. When an AC dies in July or a furnace dies in January, people panic. They don't have $8,000 to $18,000 sitting around ready to go. Financing gives them a lifeline.
And that lifeline is becoming the default. No one bats an eye financing a $60,000 truck, but an HVAC system that keeps your family alive in the summer heat? People used to try and pay cash. And if they couldn't, they'd wait until it was unbearable. Financing removes that survival moment.
And this shift is pushing contractors into a new role. They're becoming not just installers, but comfort subscription providers. Payments per month, service plans bundled in, priority scheduling guaranteed, comfort as a service. It's happening fast.
And I love that phrase, comfort as a service, because when a customer makes monthly payments, they're emotionally tied to reliability. They don't just buy a machine, they buy peace of mind. They expect the system to always work, and they expect you to always be there.
Which means smart contractors structure financing the right way. They pair it with maintenance. They pair it with warranties. They pair it with ongoing check-ins. It becomes a relationship, not just a one-time transaction.
It's like when you buy a new truck and the dealer says you need to come in every so many miles for service. They build a system around ownership. That's what contractors need to embrace. Service equals loyalty.
Let's lay out what's driving this new model. First, equipment costs aren't going down. Energy standards rising. Refrigerant regulations tightening. Efficiency expectations growing with every new home buyer generation. All of that means HVAC systems are more complex and expensive than ever.
The simplest comparison is your old AC unit was like a flip phone. Today's high-efficiency units are like iPhones. More technology means more investment. Financing makes that investment palatable.
The second driver, homeowners expect monthly payments now. They finance phones. They finance furniture. They finance pet surgeries. Monthly payments are psychologically easier than a lump sum.
Right. Right now, the average American has less than $1,000 in savings. So unless the AC fairy shows up with a free condenser, financing is the only realistic path.
The third driver, comfort is no longer a luxury, it's essential. With climate extremes growing nationwide, cooling and heating are survival systems. When they break, people don't ask, should we? They ask, how fast can you come?
And when urgency meets affordability, financing wins the day. Customers don't want the cheapest solution. They want the best solution with payments they can handle.
And that expectation is becoming a norm. It's shifting from financing available if needed to financing expected every time.
It also changes who says yes. Before, contractors lost high-efficiency upgrades because the sticker shock was too much. Now, when homeowners see a small monthly increase for higher efficiency, suddenly they say, we'll take the better one.
It's like ordering at a restaurant. If you had to buy all the calories up front, you'd eat ramen every night. But if it's only $3 more to upgrade to the better meal, you convince yourself the upgrade is worth it.
Speaking of upgrades, smart thermostats, zoning systems, better air quality units, those add-ons become easier sales too. People are more likely to say yes to $10 or $15 more per month than another $1,000 at once.
Let's talk examples. Say Sarah is a homeowner in Phoenix. Her AC blows in July, the worst scenario ever. No way she can sleep in that heat. Contractor quotes her $14,000. She can't do it in cash, but the contractor offers $179 monthly with maintenance included. She signs instantly because the alternative is sweating and suffering.
And now the contractor didn't lose the sale. They didn't race to the bottom. They didn't shove a cheap unit just to hit a price point. They delivered the right solution at the right payment.
Now let's flip to another market, Detroit in December. Furnace dies, family is freezing, kids wrapped in blankets. No one says, "Honey, check our savings account." They say, "Please fix this." Payments solve the emergency.
And you know who else loves payments? Landlords. Rental owners love predictable monthly expenses. It helps them model returns. They start upgrading entire portfolios when financing is offered smartly.
So, with all these benefits, what is the contractor's biggest challenge in adopting the financing model? Comfort. Contractors feel uncomfortable talking finances with families. They think they're being pushy.
But here's the truth: offering financing isn't pushy. Not offering financing is neglect. You're leaving people in stressful situations with no options.
And this ties into homeowner psychology. When you show the big number first, they panic. When you show the monthly number first, they ask questions. They listen. Their stress lowers. It becomes logical instead of emotional.
That shift in communication isn't slimy. It's how homeowners already think about major purchases. Make it normal. Make it part of your pitch.
Another challenge is contractors worry financing complicates the sale. More paperwork, more approvals, more back-end work.
Yes, but once systems are in place, it's actually easier. Fast approvals, digital documents, automated reminders. The whole model is built to be friction-free.
The final challenge contractors face, they sometimes don't believe customers will pay for higher-end upgrades, but they will if you show the monthly difference clearly. People don't choose the cheapest truck. They choose the one they feel proud to drive.
Homeowners don't want the cheapest AC. They want the home to feel cool and safe, and they want to feel smart about the decision.
So let's end part one with this. HVAC financing is not the future. It is the present. Contractors who embrace it will grow faster, close bigger jobs, and build long-term relationships with customers who stay loyal.
And customers will thank you for making emergencies manageable instead of nightmares.
Now, we're going deeper into how this model reshapes business finances, cash flow, warranties, customer satisfaction, and pricing strategy. And we'll talk about how to protect yourself from financing pitfalls too, because there are traps to avoid.
This is the new era of HVAC. And if contractors adapt now, they'll become the comfort providers homeowners depend on for decades.
Stay tuned. We'll be right back after a short break. And hey, if you're a contractor looking to scale your business without adding more chaos, check out Contractor Plus. It's the only app you'll ever need to run your business from start to finish. CRM, estimates, invoices, payments, plus powerful integrations like QuickBooks Online, Zapier, Authorize.net, ABC Supply, and more. Go further, win more, and work smarter with Contractor Plus. Welcome back, everyone. So now that we've laid out how financing is transforming HVAC buying behavior, let's talk about what this does to the business behind the scenes. Because when a contractor moves from collecting large checks to managing financed projects, it changes cash flow, sales strategy, and long-term revenue in a big way.
Yes, it does. Most contractors grew up with the old model: sell the job, install the job, get paid immediately. When everything goes perfectly, that model feels awesome. But when a payment gets delayed or when a homeowner says the check is in the mail, suddenly you feel like a bill collector instead of a service professional.
Financing solves that. The contractor gets paid quickly by the financing provider. The homeowner deals with the monthly payments privately. The contractor doesn't have to chase money. And there's no uncomfortable moment where someone is standing in their living room waiting for a check to clear.
That's one of the best parts. It cleans up the awkwardness. It prevents arguments. It protects relationships. The contractor keeps being the hero. The money conversation happens elsewhere.
And it's not just convenience, it's about growing the business smarter. When revenue arrives efficiently, it stabilizes cash flow. With stable cash flow, a company can plan ahead, hiring, equipment upgrades, more marketing, expanding service teams. Instead of roller coaster revenue, you create predictable revenue cycles.
That predictability is what banks want to see too. If a contractor ever wants to get a line of credit or scale into commercial territory, consistent revenue helps them qualify. Financing isn't just a customer perk, it's a business advantage.
And think about maintenance agreements being bundled into the deal. Now every system you install becomes a recurring relationship. If you have 500 customers with maintenance agreements paying monthly fees, that's a business that keeps making money every month, even when the weather's mild.
You practically become the Netflix of comfort. The more subscribers you have, the more secure your business becomes. And every technician you send for maintenance is like a loyalty agent, keeping the relationship alive.
Exactly. Each annual tune-up is a moment to reinforce trust. The more often homeowners see your team, the less they ever call someone else. That is how you build a moat around your customer.
And here's a big one. Contractors who offer financing sell more premium equipment. If you present a high efficiency system as $16,000 versus a basic unit at $10,000, many homeowners panic and choose the cheap one. But if you show them that the premium system is only $40 or $50 more a month for lower operating costs, suddenly they pick the better option.
Everyone likes the best option as long as they can breathe while paying for it.
I like that line. That's the psychology shift. Cash makes them panic. Monthly payments make them consider value.
There's also a competitive edge here. Homeowners have choices. They usually get 2 or 3 quotes. If one contractor says payment in full up front and the other says 0 down, pay over time, which one are they choosing? Even if the price is slightly more monthly, the ability to act immediately wins.
Whoever offers the easiest path to relief wins the sale.
But let's be real, there are pitfalls too. If a contractor isn't careful with pricing structure, fees, or program selection, they can lose money fast. For starters, discounting from fear is deadly. Financing doesn't replace profit, it helps maintain it.
You have to understand buy downs, merchant fees, approval tiers, the back end details of financing. Some programs take a piece of your money. That's okay if you build that reality into your pricing. The homeowners aren't paying less, they're just paying differently.
You also have to be very clear on what is included in those financing packages. If you promise lifetime maintenance with no plan in place, that's a disaster waiting to happen.
And do not let financing lead you into installing systems customers don't really need. Ethical selling still matters. You're not a car dealership trying to sell heated cup holders. You're helping families live safely and comfortably.
And customers today are more educated thanks to YouTube and social media. They'll smell dishonesty from a mile away. Financing does not mean pressuring, it means empowering.
Let's hit on the trust impact here. When a homeowner finances through you, they're trusting you not just for a day, but for years. You are attaching your brand to every monthly bill they pay. So you better deliver a top-level experience, because if something goes wrong, they're reminded every month that they owe money for something they aren't happy with.
That long-term bond means service quality can't drop once the install is complete. Contractors must build systems that ensure they show up, maintain equipment, and respond quickly.
And that has a beautiful upside. The more reliable you become, the more word of mouth spreads. Homeowners tell neighbors, family, and coworkers about a company that cares. Financing gets them through the door. Service keeps them forever.
So let's bring all this together. Financing isn't just about affordability, it's about evolution. It changes how contractors sell, it changes how customers buy, it changes how businesses scale. It creates partnerships instead of transactions.
And right now, only a fraction of contractors are leaning into this model fully, which means the ones who do are going to explode in growth while the competitors watch, confused, wondering how they did it.
The answer? They said yes to the future instead of clinging to the past.
And the future is already in motion.
Now we're diving into playbooks, how to present financing the right way, how to train your team, how to improve conversions without becoming pushy, and how to turn every financed HVAC install into a lifetime customer.
And we're talking about what could go wrong too, because every smart plan includes how to avoid the landmines.
This is where the transformation happens. Stay tuned. We'll be right back after a short break. And hey, if you're a contractor looking to scale your business without adding more chaos, check out Contractor Plus. We're back. And now we're going straight into the part that will make the biggest difference. The playbook. Because it's one thing to agree that financing is a new model, it's another thing to make it work profitably, smoothly, and ethically inside your business.
Yeah. If HVAC financing is the new auto loan model, then contractors must become the dealership of comfort. You have to build the process. You have to build confidence in your team. You have to build a customer experience that makes saying yes easy instead of stressful.
And the first step is training, not on tools, not on installation, but on communication. Your team needs to feel comfortable talking about money. Most techs freeze when it comes to financing because they think it's awkward. But what's actually awkward is leaving a homeowner panicking with no solution.
Exactly. The homeowner cares way more about getting the heat working than about awkward financial conversations. And once the tech sees financing not as selling, but as helping, the whole vibe changes. You're not pushing anything, you're providing a lifeline.
When presenting financing, you don't lead with the big, scary total. You start with the monthly comfort. The language changes from "this system costs $15,000" to "this system is around $160 a month and includes full protection and maintenance." One approach creates anxiety. The other creates relief.
I've seen the transformation in sales teams who finally adopt that style. The conversation becomes relaxed, even hopeful. Homeowners stop feeling ashamed of not having cash ready. They trust the company more for having options.
So let's walk through how that conversation sounds.
It starts like this: we want you comfortable with both the solution and the way you pay for it. Most families today prefer monthly payments. Here are two options.
Then you show them the efficiency upgrade with the service plan included, and you show them the basic option. And then you pause. Let them react. Humans are smart. They will choose based on value and emotion.
And here's the kicker: most homeowners will pick the middle or premium option because it feels safer, smarter, and more comfortable long term. The financing unlocks the better experience.
It also changes customer loyalty instantly. When a homeowner pays cash, the relationship ends at the receipt. But when they're on a monthly plan, the relationship is ongoing. Your company becomes the comfort partner for the next decade.
And with every tune up visit, your technician reinforces that bond. A sticker on a unit doesn't create loyalty, a trusted face showing up every year does.
Now, let's talk business numbers. Contractors must set pricing with financing in mind. You cannot cut your own legs out by offering payments that lose money. Instead, you build pricing that matches the value you deliver. Inflation is real. Liability is real. Skilled labor deserves real wages. Good contractors don't apologize for charging what's necessary.
If a customer complains about prices rising, it's because they compare to the past. The past isn't coming back. Refrigerant regulations keep shifting, SEER standards keep rising, supply chain costs keep climbing. Energy efficiency is becoming law, not preference. Every one of those adds cost.
And that's why financing is not only smart, it's necessary. Homeowners will accept higher costs when payments shrink the stress. They care more about what comes out of their bank account each month than a total they will never pay in full upfront.
And here's something powerful: financing changes how contractors market. Instead of saying, replace your HVAC system for $14,000, you say, new high efficiency system starting under $200 a month. One message scares people away. The other message invites them to imagine comfort.
A good marketing campaign isn't about convincing. It's about removing the fear that blocks the yes. Money fear is the biggest block. Financing removes that fear.
Let's also address the dark side if contractors aren't careful. If you offer financing without a plan to support customers long term, you can damage your reputation faster than ever. One bad installation becomes 12 years of monthly resentment.
That's why service must be consistent. Your team must show up. You must honor warranties. You must act like a business that understands the responsibility of subscription ownership.
When you sell payments, you sell reliability. That means tightening every screw in your operations: scheduling, communication, training, response times. A single angry customer can be loud, especially when they're still paying every month.
But when you get it right, the upside is massive. One customer becomes a lifetime client. They recommend you to family and friends because not everyone can brag about a great installation experience.
People brag about a great support experience. Yep, a company that is easy to work with becomes the company everyone calls when the next emergency hits.
And here's something long-term thinkers will love. Financing builds a stack of future opportunities. When a system nears the end of its life, instead of dreading the replacement cost, the customer already knows they can roll into updated equipment with a similar monthly payment. You retain them without a single competitor getting a chance.
So, financing isn't a sale, it's a future contract.
This model is going to spread across every service trade. HVAC is just leading the charge because climate comfort is non-negotiable. But plumbing, electrical, roofing, they're right behind.
Contractors who adopt monthly models today become the category leaders of tomorrow. And once you are the company associated with comfort subscriptions, everyone else has to catch up to you.
Let's close with the personal message contractors need to hear. You are not just an installer of machines, you are a provider of comfort. You are a protector of families. You are the reason people sleep well in winter and breathe easy in summer.
And the modern way to deliver that comfort is through smart financing models that remove obstacles and increase access.
The companies who embrace this shift will dominate the next decade of home services. The companies who resist will look back someday and realize the world changed while they clung to the past.
Don't cling, climb, move upward, adapt, and win.
Because your customers aren't asking for cheaper fixes, they're asking for better solutions they can afford. And you have the power to provide exactly that.
So, whether it's a furnace in January or an AC unit in July, the next time someone says they can't afford it, show them they can. Show them the future. Show them comfort as a service.
That's the new model. That's the new industry. That's the opportunity waiting for every contractor listening right now.
And that wraps today's episode. Thanks for joining us on Hard Hat Chat. If you learned something valuable, send this episode to another HVAC pro who needs the confidence to evolve.
We'll see you in the next one. Stay smart, stay profitable, and keep the air flowing.